Hi viewers, this is my Samsung A50 phone and I dropped it and I broke the glass. If you can see this screen, the screen protector is broken. So I bought a new one. I ordered it online. You can find it in Flipkart or Amazon in any uh, online website. So I just want to demonstrate how to replace this broken screen protector, the tempered glass, with a new one. So what all you need to have is a piece of cloth which is like soft. So I've taken the vest bunion, which I'm not using, and little bit of water if needed, and your phone obviously, and the screen, the one which you ordered. Now let's quickly start the unpacking of this and see what exactly we have, and try buying this 11D, 8D, 10D kind of screen protectors, because it will have the complete coverage on your phone. This is how it will be. So now what exactly we need to do is, first you need to remove this. Now we just need to pull this off and make sure there are no children's around this area, because this is fiberglass. It's quite harmful if it is thrown somewhere in the area where people walk. So dispose it carefully. Before that you need to remove it. See, this is the phone which I bought and it's very much intact because of this screen protector. I dropped it often many times, but it's still protected. Now what I'll do is I'll use little bit of water. People, if you go to shops, they'll use some spray and all, but when we are in quarantine, we are in lockdown, so it's better you just use little bit of water and clean the phone. That's it. Once you're done with proper cleaning, anyway, we are gonna cover it. Now you clean this as well. This almost have no stains, because since the time I bought, I'm using this tempered glass. Now this is the main part which you should not miss. You need to remove this and apply on this and paste it and rub it with this so that there won't be any bubbles. Just focus on this point. You need to make sure we are placing it properly. And then adjust it. That's it. Can you see it self? It is sticking to the phone, right? And you no need to worry if it is not pasted. I just want to give a quick demo. If it is not pasted properly, it is not in the proper location, just remove it and place it again as per your satisfaction. Now I'm good with this. Now what I'll do is, if you can see itself, it is pasting. I'm not doing any effort. So these bubbles are there, so for that you need to just rub it, and once you rub it, it will eventually vanish the bubbles. And when we use phone daily, with that heat also, the vapor which is collected inside, which is there inside, that will go. Here we have seen like how to replace this screen protector. So better you buy something which is of same model. So this is Samsung A50. So I bought, now you can see it's like crystal clear. I can use apps like anything. So buy which is of your same size and use the same procedure. No need to buy anything. You just need to have a piece of cloth and little bit of water if required, and the screen protector and your mobile and hands. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe this video, and channel Induja's Passion. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.